After spending 2 nights in Elk Island National Park, enjoying pretty lakes, encountering billions of mosquitoes, seeing a lot of bison and other wildlife, it was time to move on. We drove for 4 hours and made it to Jasper National Park in the Canadian Rockies. We pitched our tent and we still had a few hours of sunlight left, so of course we had to use the opportunity and go to explore.
We arrived in Jasper National Park. We had our lunch at 4 p.m. or so, and we immediately set out for a hike. Because it's a longer hike, or more challenging hike at least, and according to the instructions we will need 4 to 5 hours to finish it. So we should finish maybe by 9 p.m. We'll see. We'll try to be quick.
Yeah, because we started at 5 p.m.
Yeah, something like that.
So we'll see how long it will take for us, but we are usually faster. I'm being optimistic that we are amazing and we will make it in time. The brochure where this hike was also included says that this is an intense hike.
Strenuous, yes.
Strenuous and very steep. So I'm happy that we are losing weight by doing this, because our lunch was quite small, but it was very calorie rich. Croissants with peanut butter and apricot jelly.
Yum.
Yeah, and a lot of them. So I can't get fat and we need to work out and do this.
So that we could eat more when we return.
Yes, because on this vacation eating is not restricted. So we have everything, cookies and croissants and peanut butter and I don't know what.
Nanaimo bars.
Nanaimo bars, yes. So that's nice, but we have to have a lot of movement. There are no mosquitoes here, which is nice. We are gaining elevation quite fast and we are in bear country. So we have to be aware of our surroundings. The best is to talk all the time, calmly, so we don't surprise the potential bear. So this filming is good and we have to ramble and yeah, we will keep rambling. Don't you worry, guys.
That's Peter's strong suit.
Yeah. So we have bear spray ready here in the backpack, but yeah, I don't know how fast we would be if we really saw a bear and he would like come onto us.
Yeah, not very fast.
Yeah, because everything would be new for us and we would be in shock. So wish us luck. There is no bear on this hike and there are no nasty surprises. Okay, honey?
Okay, wish us luck, guys. I agree. It's funny that along the way we keep looking at all the plants and we keep comparing them to our plants in our garden. And this one looks like it's some kind of currant, maybe wild currant or alpine currant, which we planted as well.
Yeah.
So there are a lot of plants we recognize thanks to our garden.
Yeah, or maybe gooseberries?
Maybe, yeah.
Could be, but it's new for us that they grow in the wild.
We've never seen them wild in the Czech Republic.
Yeah, yeah. We are thinking we are going there on that mountain. And look, the views are starting.
Wow.
And it will be even better from the top if we make it.
Yeah.
Hopefully. And we are almost there.
Wow.
Just a simple pile of rocks.
The wind is really cold and there's even some snow still left.
Yay! It's always so exciting to touch snow in summer. It's so difficult all of a sudden.
This is a great glute workout.
Yeah, great workout. So windy. We are here
Right now we are 2040 meters above sea level.
Yeah.
We started at 1300.
Something like that.
Yeah, so 700 meters elevation gain on 4 kilometers.
Yeah. And this trail is called Sulphur Skyline Trail. I guess because of those mountains, because they are kinda yellowish, orange, maybe like sulfur. So that's nice! Oh my god! I'm so happy we've made it.
Me too.
Yeah. And now it's not windy.
Wow. So now you can hear us for a few seconds.
Yeah, so for a few seconds we can experience how it is when the weather is normal. So sunny. The conditions are getting better. Wow, summer is coming, I think.
To Canada.
To Canada, yeah. Guys, we fell down and the hike up here took us 1 hour 15 minutes only. So we are amazing because it should have been 2.5 hours. So yeah, we are so fast. I love it. We are blown away, literally. So it's time to go. It will be such a relief to be back in the forest where it's not windy. So let's go!
We are on our way back and the sun is still pretty high up. So that's nice. We still have some time left. So we did it much faster than we originally anticipated.
Yeah.
Which means we still have time for dinner and maybe one other small hike. We'll see.
Oh, okay.
We'll decide. I want squirrels in my garden.
Yeah, I would like that too.
Okay. Squirrels attack. I think that's what it meant.
Hopefully not. Look, violets. It's so interesting because it's July and violets at our country house or generally in our country grow in April, maybe in May. So this is so interesting to see them now. It's like out of time or something. I don't know.
Back in time.
Yeah, back in time. But we are high in mountains, so it's understandable.
Peter is high, guys.
So where are we? High up?
I guess.
Okay, so we are high up in the mountains. We are not high. Are hot springs from sulfur. Sulfur is there and we can smell it. And there are modern hot springs down in the valley at the parking lot, very commercial. But this is the original spring, original source for the hot springs. So that's interesting. Yeah, it's hot.
I feel it. I feel the warmth.
Yeah, wow. Like when you are going to take a bath
Wow.
That temperature, very hot, but not like it's not burning my hand.
Change of plans.
I wanna try it because there is this gap here,
Yeah.
so you are supposed to try it. It's hot. Do you think it has healing properties?
Yes, it does.
I am totally healing now.
Yeah. You are getting younger as we speak.
Yes, totally. My feet are very tired after all the hiking. Okay. So this was interesting.
New experience.
Yes.
I'm going to. I'll follow you through the black and the blue. Whatever the mountain, we'll climb to the next. Honey, I'm with you through life and to death.
It's morning and we are leaving again. We have to pack everything, but first I want to show you our campsite. So our campsite for this night was F25.
At Miette campground.
Yes. And you always have space for your car in these like standard campgrounds. There are smaller ones as well, but this is what we are used to in most Canadian campgrounds. So here is the living area. So there is always space for a tent. There is usually a fire pit where you can make fire.
Which we didn't.
Yeah, sometimes you have to buy wood. So that's interesting, and then you can make fire for like 7 or 8 Canadian dollars. There is a table where you can sit. It's usually always like this type of table.
A picnic table.
Picnic table, yeah. And our tent. And there are so many things we always have to pack and unpack, like our mattresses, our sleeping bags, and of course the tent. But it's quite quick, it's not terrible, so I think it's okay. And that's it. And it looks so cool here in the forest. The neighbors are quite far away, so it's nice that there are these designated sites. We like it.
We saw all these roses blooming everywhere, which happened in our country like 2 months ago, but that's not the point of this story. But we realized that Alberta is the wild rose country.
Yes.
So now we see that that's really the case. It's everywhere.
Yeah. It's the name of the country or like a motto.
Yeah, something like that.
Yeah.
It's written on the cars,
Yeah.
on the plates.
On the license plates, yeah. And there are quite a lot of them
Yeah.
everywhere here and on our campsite here as well. Yeah.
Along the hikes as well.
Yeah. We saw a lot of them. So it's true.
Interesting.
Yeah.
Many different wildflowers everywhere.
Yeah. So pretty.
And we don't have some of these in our country. At least not in the wild.
Lilies, probably.
Yeah,
these
looks
ones.
like it.
So pretty. I like it.
Me too. Wow. Guys, we just stopped by the road, which is here, and look how amazing it is. This is what Jasper National Park looks like. It's amazing. I love it. So beautiful. I have no words.
And we are only at the beginning.
Yes, this is just the beginning.
We are looking at the Athabasca River, which is the main river in Jasper National Park. It flows through the whole park, I think. And it's basically water from melting ice.
Glaciers.
Glaciers.
Yeah. So that's cool.
Yeah, it looks kind of milky.
Yeah.
Isn't it?
Like white coffee or something like that. And that's because of the ice melting from the glaciers. So this is the time when the glaciers are melting in summer. So there is a lot of water now. And it's cool.
We made a little stop for this.
Ta-da! Hi guys, how are you doing? So cool. They are not afraid of humans at all.
They could be careless.
Yeah. So pretty. They want to go with us. Okay. Bye. We are leaving. Have a nice day. So cool. Honey, do you like this spot?
It's gorgeous. Wow. Look at the views. It's amazing.
Yeah.
It doesn't get better than this.
Yes. I'm having a banana bread. We have a big loaf here with peanut butter, and here we have apricot jelly. So that's going to be amazing. That sounds so North American to me. Peanut butter and jelly. It's not very popular in the Czech Republic, so I have to have it now.
Yeah. Peanut butter in general is not very common.
Yeah, exactly. So let me enjoy this now, and we like it. We sometimes create our own peanut butter at home, but other people don't do it and don't eat peanut butter, very rarely. We are very happy that we found this place. We wanted to eat sooner because it's almost noon now, but a lot of places with these picnic tables were closed. The water levels are high and some of them were almost underwater, so that's why. But this one is pretty idyllic and yeah, we can enjoy it.
Yeah, we found the best one, so I'm glad the other ones were closed.
And now the sun came out and it's even more idyllic. So pleasant. Yeah. And I have peanut butter and jelly here in my cereal as well. It's so pretty here, right? The sun makes such a big difference. Yeah. Hello, little guy.
Come here. You are so pretty and so cute. Are you cute?
There are some chipmunks in the area running around, so we have to be careful because they can be quite sneaky and take away your food if you are not looking.
Yeah, and we don't want that because we love our food. So they are not getting anything.
Yeah, they almost stole Peter's muffin 7 years ago or so.
Yes, I
remember
still have nightmares about that. So yeah, they are not getting anything, and we shouldn't feed wildlife anyway. So yeah,
It's for their own good.
exactly. They are running here at the rocks. There is one. I don't know if you can see it. Cook. Oh my god. Wow. So they are not afraid at all, honey.
Because I think you have food in your hand. Once they find out that it's empty, they run away immediately.
Yeah, so that must have been a big disappointment for it that I don't have anything.
Anyway, more wildlife is coming, and not all of it will be as cute as this chipmunk.
Oh no,
Yes.
we're screwed. Maybe we can continue, but be careful, cautious, and make a lot of sound.
Our bear spray is ready. But this is our path through the snow.
Are we going to survive, or is this it? Don't forget to tune in next time to find out. So until then, bye!